How to fix Discord mobile not getting notifications on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First open settings and now scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again and now click Discord. And as you see here you will find Discord settings, and now all you need to do just click this one. Wait, where is it? Notifications, click on it, and as you see here you will find Discord notifications settings. Just manage anything you want. If you want to fix this direct messages, then just click on it and manage here anything you want, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.